for you in your face, bitch!
Alright, you guys, start talking. This is crazy, dude. I can't believe we're doing this, man. I wish we had parachutes so we could fucking base jump this time, dude. That'd be sick.
I'm trying to think where.
Don't we have to go through the checkpoint first? Yeah, there is. Yeah. There's
no, that's when we go back down there.
Are you sure? Oh, there it is. I saw it.
Alright, yeah. Shit, it's recording, right?
Yeah, it's recording. You're so good right now.
Hey, what the fuck is that windy road down there?
It's a access road for construction and shit. This is crazy, dude. Strong crosswind possible for the next mile. Interesting. Yeah, that's the checkpoint right there. You're right. This is insane. Alright, here we go. Yeah, look, there's the power lines right there for the dam. You don't even know we're about to be coming up on it. That right there's the entrance. Here we go. Alright, look, we're about to be on top of the bridge crossing the Colorado River.
People are walking right there.
Yep,
see,
right there, the people walking right there.
See, look, this is the only thing you can see.
Yep, that's the only. Yep, that's the only part you can see right there, and that's it. You can't see nothing else. All right, man, go ahead and shoot over into your left lane, bro. We're on the bridge right now. You can't even tell we're going over a river right now, huh? What are we walking? This shit's tight. Look, we're about.
We're already across.
Yeah, we're about to be in Arizona.
I didn't know you could walk right there.
You're not allowed to.
Yeah.
Look, we're twisted in Arizona. Whoop whoop. Twisted in Arizona. Yeah. All right. Flying around these turns, man. Hello? Yeah. Hey, what's up, Dad? Right now, if I lose you, it's because we're about ready to drive across the dam. We're checking out the new bridge that they just...
Alright, this is Anthony. My cousin. Those are some homies.
Hey, yo, Petey, let me get some water,
There's
dog.
some more homies. Alright, and this is the Hoover Dam.
You think this is enough to
And this is where it empties in the river or some shit like that. I'm not too sure. And but yeah, people are gonna fucking watch it. People we know and shit. Fuck. Throw this shit on YouTube maybe. And that's Lake Mead. We're gonna get some better views of this shit once we get over there. Get a good look at the fucking hole over here. All this shit I guess used to be filled with water and it overflow into here and down there. I guess we're in a drought, so this shit don't happen too often anymore. But we're gonna continue on, and there's that hole again. We're gonna get a better look as soon as we cross this street right here. Anything you like to say, Anthony? You're gonna be on YouTube probably. You're gonna throw this shit on YouTube. We're gonna show y'all the bridge we just fucking drove across. It didn't seem like much, but once we get over there and we get up there, we're gonna walk on that bitch. So once we walk on it, you guys will see how intense it gets. Cause I'm afraid of heights, kinda, and it's gonna freak me the fuck out. But I went on that shit yesterday, so it's all good. Alright, this is the fucking hole. Don't want to fall down there. See if you can see me spit. I guess not. Alright, well, we're going to resume in a couple seconds once we get over there somewhere. There's some bitch-made cops. Nobody likes the cops, but yeah, they are. So, they are out here. That's Arizona over there, and Nevada over there.
I want to fucking have him water up in that bitch.
A pop out the box, swing on a spring. Big Von and Jay with the axe out. Trouble we bring, a juggalo thing. Wicked
Yeah, walk it all, bro.
Alright, here we are.
Can it all?
We are here. Oh, I guess there's no suns.
Don't you know you're that high?
This is the bridge we were just driving on earlier.
Anthony, how high you think we are?
This kid's scared out of his mind.
Well,
Yeah,
840 feet. Well, shit, you're the scared one. 840 feet.
Don't talk shit. No, but this is a bridge we drove on. And this is going to be the view. See? Michael Callahan, Pat Tillman. Well, that's pretty much it. No, I'm just playing. Hey, wait up. We gotta get all y'all on the camera.
No, just get the view.
When you go by the water, stand on there.
This girl wants to jump off. I don't know what her boyfriend does. There's the Hoover Dam over there. You can see it.
You guys walk all the way down?
We're walking out next to it. Yeah, we're walking all the way, dude.
I ain't going home today. I'm coming back.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Are you kidding me, dude? This is a big step for me. I'm already up here, dude.
Max already moving.
I'm already. I know, dude.
Let me see it.
Hey, come on, stand on this
There's
side.
some view, bro. So like that.
You walk. Dad, come here.
Are you serious?
Where are you going?
I was gonna go back to that.
No,
Oh
you're
shit,
gonna stay
you
up
won't come
here.
back. They'll come.
They'll meet you up here.
I didn't know.
Don't worry, they'll catch you.
See, that guy's like. Alright, well. Can't see much yet. Once we get to the middle of this bridge, you'll see a lot more. But we're getting there. I'm freaking out a little bit. These kids think it's fucking funny. I'm afraid of heights. See the fucking
See that freaking car?
Colorado River and the motherfucking
Like a freaking,
lake and shit. I don't think I'm gonna make it all the way across, dude. I hate heights. Shit's fucking intense and crazy.
You're spending more time sitting here worrying about it than we could have.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Just come on.
I'm going back.
No, come
Just
on.
go ahead, dude.
We're already right here. We're already right here.
Dude,
Just
if I
finish
want
it.
to go back, just let me go back.
Just
Y'all
come
can
on.
go and take your time and shit. Just go.
No, just go. Why are you so scared?
Go, just go.
Nothing's gonna
Cause
happen. You're a little scared.
go.
Need a cigarette.
Dude,
it's not a big deal.
grow up.
I am grown up.
You're not gonna fall through.
It's not that.
See that crack? It's not gonna get any
I
bigger.
just get trippy up here.
Yeah, clever, dude.
No, dog. I'll be back. I'll be y'all over there though.
Better.
Why?
I'll be
Were you
chilling
scared?
up in here and shit.
You scared?
Not really scared.
Then what are you?
It freaks me out, dude.
It freaks you out.
Trips
What freaks you out about it?
It just does.
Well, I'm glad I recorded this whole conversation.
This is fun.
That's cold.
That was nice.
That's cold, Anthony.
It's okay.
Shit, I like when
Oh, come, he's
Going
coming.
on YouTube, dog, and you know it.
Look at the jet ski, bro. Fuck, I wish my Zoom was,
Freaking
man.
out, dude. This shit freaks me out.
Why?
I hate heights. That's my main
I don't like
thing.
heights at all, dude.
That's my main thing.
I don't like heights at all.
Get that fucking camera off. What about you? It's nothing to you, huh?
Guess what? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Guess what? First, I slap your head with a bat, the bloody splat, crack with impact, wind it back, whack your cheekbone, stomp your nose in until it's gone, pick you back up and punch your gut, double you over and fold you shut, let you drop, then invite the crew to kick your face in two. Racist bigot, you dirty demon, dig your eyes out while you scream, drive your head into the concrete, use your forehead to paint the street, child abusing piece of crap, a couple knee drops across your back, rip your pants down for the cause, take 2 bricks and clap your balls. I'm hurting you. Run your ass, better run your ass. I'm hurting you. I'ma fucking kill you. I'm hurting room and your mouth's a mess. Somehow your tongue's hanging out of your neck, and I ain't even barely got started yet. Throwing stars sticking out of your forehead, keep you alive to make you feel more dead. Down your throat with a broken bottle, kick to the neck, then make you swallow. Stop eating every rib till it breaks, and when it's all over, hell awaits. Take this hammer, pound out your scrotum, pancake food left for the rodents. Fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up, fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up, fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up, fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up. I'm hurting you. Run your ass, better run your ass. I'm hurting you. I'ma fucking kill you. I say beat, you say beat, beat. I say beat, you say beat, bitch ass. Guess what? Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, bang. Let your fist swing. Let your fist this way. Oh yes. Oh yes. I say beat, you say beat, beat. I say beat, you say beat that bitch ass. Fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up, fuck you up, fuck you up. It's about time I fuck you up. I'm hurting you. Run your ass, better run your ass. I'm hurting you. I'ma fucking kill you. I'm hurting you. Run your ass, better run your ass. I'm hurting you. I'ma fucking kill you. Fuck you up, fuck you up. Fuck you up, fuck you up.
Well, y'all know what I always say. If it ain't white, it ain't right. Cause if there's one thing I can't stand, it's to walk into my bar and see some goddamn
Hey, Skip, you got a phone call. They said it's mighty
a
important.
phone call, huh? For me? Well, it must be my wife. Hello, sweetums.
Sweetums? What the fuck you talking about, bitch? We're looking for our big winner man, Mr. Skip Harlow.
Well, yes'm, I'm Skip Harlow.
Well, boot scootin' boogie, bitch. You, Skip, are headed off on an all-expense-paid, first-class trip to a dark carnival super show of a lifetime in Ash, Nevada. And try this hat on. Just for showing up, you'll get 100,000 buckaroos.
Yeehaw! I'm headed to Ash, Nevada.